Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to your writing lesson of the 12th of January 2021. So, today your learning objective is to apply the use of direct and indirect speech. Yesterday you learnt about these, but today you are going to put them within the context of a newspaper report. So, for your starter, I would like you to write 5 adjectives and 5 nouns about the following picture. Remember, you can press pause at any point on the video if I'm moving too quickly through the slides. So once again, I would like you to practice reading the text and use your actions to help you to familiarise yourself with what happens at each stage of the report. Today we're going to apply what you learnt yesterday about direct and indirect, also known as reported speech. Firstly, tell your partner what is the difference between direct and indirect speech. Can you turn this direct speech into indirect speech? Come quickly, shouted Miss Hand to the children. I'm just about to reveal the answer, so if you haven't worked it out yet, please press pause on the video. So you would change that to, Miss Hand shouted to the children to come quickly. And as you can see, the inverted commas are not present here, and we have also changed some of the words. Excuse me. So we are going to be creating examples of direct and indirect speech. Let's read this article about a new school opening. Can you find examples of speech? So Green Park Village Primary Academy opens to first pupils in Reading. A new primary school has opened in Reading, welcoming its first set of reception students. Children, teachers and the team from Developer St Edward marked the official opening of Green Park Village Primary Academy and the start of the autumn term with a celebratory balloon release, that's a difficult word to say when you're saying it quickly, in the new school's grounds at Green Park Village. This year, 60 reception children have been the first to enjoy the modern building and its outdoor space. When full, the school will cater for 420 pupils in total, aged from 2 to 11 years, including nursery. In keeping with Green Park Village's sustainability credentials, the children released biodegradable balloons to celebrate the special occasion. Jonathan Smee, production director, said, "The opening of the primary academy is a real landmark for Green Park Village and its place in the Reading community. St Edward's vision is to create a fantastic new neighbourhood for everyone to enjoy and use, for living, working and playing. The delivery of the new school shows our ambition really coming to life. We're exceptionally proud of progress and the environment created to date." After a challenging year for teachers, parents and children, everyone at St Edward is so pleased to have now been able to hand over the keys to the academy for its very first pupils, who already seem to be settling in and enjoying their new learning space. So what I would like you to think about, who else might want to say something about the reopening of a new school? And the report you'll be planning and creating next week is all about the reopening of a new school that has been rebuilt as a result from the tragedy that James Brunel caused with his supernatural powers. So think about who is involved in our school. Let's make a list. So here are some ideas. We've got the builders of the school, and they might be thinking and talking about how long it took, how many people worked on the project, are they happy with the result? The head teacher, what does the new school mean to them? What is their favourite part about the new school? What will this mean to the community after the last school was destroyed? You've got parents, so I'd like you to have a think, what might they want to comment about? Brainstorm ideas around each of the subheadings. The children, the teachers, think about Mrs. Tenner. She actually witnessed the event, so what might she want to say about a new school being built and reopening? And if you can think about anyone else that is present within the school environment, what might they say about the school being rebuilt and a dream school being open for the children? So Mild, today you are going to write in the speech bubbles what different people might say about a new school reopening. Medium, you are going to do the same, but you are going to change the direct speech to indirect speech. And Heart, you need to write both a piece of direct and indirect speech from the witness's point of view. So I've got worksheets on the next slides to help you. So mild, I've given you an example here from the builder. So I'm happy the work was finished in time for the new term. What might the parent be saying? What might a child say? And what might a teacher say? And as a challenge, sorry, there's a slight typing error there. Can you draw another person that might want to comment on the new school and create a speech bubble for them? Medium, again, I would like you to write in the speech bubble an example of direct speech and then change it in the box at the side to indirect reported speech. So again, the builder, I'm happy the work was finished in time for the new term, and the reported speech is the builder stated that he was happy that the work was finished in time for the new term. Again, what might the parents say? The child and the teacher, and a challenge, spelt correctly this time, sorry. Can you draw another person that might want to comment on the new school and create a speech bubble for them and an indirect reported speech box? And hot, draw pictures of the witnesses and write a piece of direct and indirect speech that they might say about the opening of the new school. And as a plenary, what witnesses do you want to include in your report? Obviously, you can't include them all. So which 2 or 3 do you want to give a statement from in your report, both direct and indirect speech next week when you plan and write your own report? If there are any questions, please email the Year 4 at Palmer Academy email address. Enjoy the rest of your learning and we will speak soon.